Welcome to Dazzling Handmade. Today I am doing an Amazon haul video. I have a full box of stuff I've been collecting and it's time to do opening. Let's get started. So I am gonna leave links down below for whatever I can find. Some of the things over here that I bought are about maybe like 4 months ago. That's embarrassing, but it's been literally in the box just sitting for 4 months. So it might be removed or no longer available or sold by just a different seller. But I am gonna leave links down below for whatever I can still find. First, Mica powder. This is gold. It's very heavy. D-well. So we got 2 of these. This is just a regular gold, and it is 10 ounce. It almost feels like liquid. It's actually kind of satisfying. Ooh, I would love to just dip my hand in it. That'd be weird. Gold. Big. Need a big bag because it's often used. And this one is almost like a black goldish green. Let's see if it says the exact color name. Just the powder. Grass green. So it's very, very dark green with a hint of gold in it. And this is the 3 ounce bag. So 3 ounce and 10 ounce. Oh, it's on me now. Great. That's okay. Okay, next I got a Mr. Coffee. This is a candle warmer. Well, it's a mug warmer, but you can put candle warmer on it to warm up a candle, and then you can use the wax, melted wax. I got this for resin to keep the resin warm when I'm not using it instantly, so it doesn't get hard. And it is pretty small, so it does not take up a lot of space. You can just put it in a box or put it in like a smaller drawer. This is what it looks like. Very easy to use. On, off. That's it. And then a plug in. And then you can also use it as a mug warmer, especially if you are at work and you just like to keep your tea warm all the time. But I think it's really good use even if you're not using it for a craft. You're just using it at home or at work to keep something warm. Or maybe keep the soup warm. You can do that. Why not? Put a soup in a mug. Alright, next one. Let's see. The seller is Tazi Baby and Child. This was $9.99. Yeah, and it's from Amazon. This I have not seen anywhere else, and it's pretty big, and I really liked it. And there's a lot from it, and it's the Mica design with the little elephant. Made in Germany. These are always really good quality, and they have the best colorful napkins. Open one. Berries, plums, blackcurrant and red currant, and the plums. Very beautiful. The colors are amazing. I could not find this one on the website where I bought the big box from, so that costed $10, and then there's 20 napkins in it. Next is from a cherry on the top. A cherry on top crafts. Okay, let's see if this says the price over here. And no. No price on the invoice. Okay, so this is a Sizzix. Oh, let's see. In a college degree to figure out how to open this. So we have 2 embossing folders in here. One is Antique Fair. That's what it says. I think this is gonna be perfect for journals. And the other one is like this. We have a small piece in the middle where we can put a picture. Very cute. And this is how it's supposed to come out. This is the A6. One more. This is an Amazon seller, but from New Zealand. And the stuff she sells, you cannot find it anywhere else. And the shipping is very fast. So we have 2 stamps. Ooh, very, very thick piece. Look at that. Super, super thick. No invoice and no name of the store, but look at this. How thick is this? Super thick. And even here you can see the thickness. Very good quality. Very, very beautiful. And the other one is cars and fashion. Also very thick and very heavy. So I'm gonna cut some of them apart because I don't have space for something this big. They're very nice. I'm not sure if she makes them, if she customizes them, or she buys them in New Zealand. But these are very unique. She has really, really unique stuff that I've never seen anywhere else. Okay, that was it for this Amazon haul video. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much. If you have any questions about these products, let me know. I'm usually pretty good at answering comments, I think. Yeah, that was it. There's an opening giveaway going on right now. Make sure you go and apply, and have a fantastic rest of the day.